Hi friends, you are welcome on my YouTube channel. Now today I am going to show the result with process. So many people told me that I am not showing the complete video from starting to end, means process to result. Today means I am going to prepare it and I am going to upload it. So if you have considered that this is a video of mango grafting, so consider that if you have a big tree of mango, then there are two options. One is that bark grafting and another is that if you cut, you can see in January such type of a big trees, as per your, you can say, choiceable height, understand. We cut this mango tree which is of, you can say, 15 years old from the height of 8 feet, because we want to means plant some shade loving plant just like ginger and garlic, etc. The new branches will come. Whenever new branches will come, then after cutting in January you will get branches, so many branches on that, you can say, cutting part. So whenever there will be, you can say, finger circumference type or pencil size, you can say, branches, then you can do their hardwood grafting, softwood grafting, or side grafting, or bark grafting. Now we have given, you can say, cut to the cyan. Already there are selection of cyan videos, 4 or 5 videos are there. You can see those video how to select cyan. If you have, you can say, healthy cyan, then percentage of, you can say, success rate will be more. So such type we are doing this, you can say, this one is a bark grafting. So bark grafting means you have to give two vertical cuts such a way that cyan will be inserted easily. Means the distance between two vertical cuts, that cut should be, understand, done by, you can say, knife. You can take, you can say, vegetable cutting knife also. So two vertical cuts should be, you can say, among, you can say, 1 to 2 centimeter, and such a way you have to lose that, you can lose that bark and insert it. You can say, wedge cut should be of, you can, 2 to 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Now second one is on the opposite side of the you can say, bark grafting. We are doing that cleft grafting. In cleft grafting you have to take a hard wood plus, you can say, bark. So you have to give vertical cut with, you can say, hardwood, but the cut should be given just like, you can say, 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. Means that means cyan will easily match to the or coincide to the bark. So your vertical cut should not be from the middle, understand, because that is circumference of that branch is more. So in such type of a situation, if grafting you can say branch is, you can say, bigger or more in circumference, and cyan size or cyan circumference is less, in that situation you should not cut give vertical cut through the middle part of that branch. You have to give such type of vertical cut around 20 or 30% of the, you can say, top upper part. So such a way we have inserted the wedge cut, V cut, in that, you can say. So two types of you can say grafting are here on the same branch. So whenever you you can say do such type of a grafting, so many types of grafting you can do, and you can take such type of different qualities of fruiting on the same mango tree. So consider that if there are, you can say, 25 or 50 or 100 branches, new coming branches, then 100 types of varieties you can shift it or fit in that mango branches. So such a way you will get types of varieties on the same mango plant. So that is the best way to cut if that, you can say, mango tree is in your orchard or on the farm or in your garden, where you have no disturbance under the that mango tree, then you have to cut such type of tree from the 3 feet or 4 feet height from the ground level, and you will get so many branches, and you can do such type of grafting by standing on the ground. But consider that whenever means you cut such type of a plant after the height of 8 or 10 feet for some problems or as per your suitability, then you have to climb on the tree and there will be so many problems. Now the best season for grafting mango is rainy season. That is different in different countries. So in India the rainy season starts from July to October. So July to October are the best month for any type of mango grafting. All types of grafting means of mangoes you can do it. Now this is the success history. Now after 15 days the buds are, you can say, growing. See here, and this is of Reliance Kesar, and another which is in front of that exactly on the same branch, that bud is, you can say, growing such a way. Now so this is the success history, and as whenever such type of means bud come from that, you have to take out that cap, which we means poured or covered. So you have to take, and after taking out you have to spray little percentage of insecticide on the leaves, because the red color fly type insects which suck the juice or cut the new coming leaves, these are the dangerous. So that's why after taking out these caps you have to spray insecticide by weekly, by which means you can protect these growing parts from the insects. So you have to take such type of a precaution. So dear friends, after you can say 2 to 3 years you will get fruiting, and consider that in the same year if flowerings will come, then you have to pluck the flowering part of that cyan, because it decreases the growth of that concerning cyan, and the branch will have no, you can say, capacity to bear fruits. So you have to wait for 2 to 3 years, by which that branch will, you can say, multiple in 7 to 8 branches, then you will get fruitings. Now this is also Bombay green cyan, Bombay green mango cyan. Now these buds are flushing out now, because all the branches will you can say cyan will take you can say 20 to 30 days to come out. So thank you, subscribe my channel, because whenever you will subscribe my channel you will get new notifications. So for getting new notifications you have to subscribe my channel and like also. So many, you can say, videos I uploaded on my YouTube channel. So many queries are there and I answered so many questions. So don't try to ask me the same question. Instead of you have to go and check my